Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers, I hope are you doing well. In this video, I will tell you how to on your dark mode on your Instagram. So let's begin to start. Come on my mobile screen. So friends, I have come on my mobile screen. First of all, open your Instagram app. Click on your profile. Then click on three lines. Scrolling down, scroll. Click on accessibility. Accessibility. Open. Click on dark mode. Turn on the dark mode. So yeah, complete the procedure. Dark mode is on. So friends, I will you meet next video and follow my Instagram account.